Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a friend a game as a gift on your Xbox Series X, and this is easy to do. So all you have to do is go to the game's store page, and you should be able to buy it as a gift. So otherwise, we can scroll on down to like one of these games down here. So if it's a game we already own, we can press the select button on it. So select, go to game card. Then go on over to Show in Microsoft Store, and it'll bring us to the store game page. Now, there should be an option somewhere to buy this game for a friend, right where you can see, right here, where it says Destiny 2 Final Shape. Now, we can pre-order this. So I'm going to select this. Then right here is an option to buy as a gift. So you can do this pretty much with any game. So let's go up to Store Home. And then find a game right here. So let's scroll on down. Maybe Starfield. Did I buy that on here? Let's go to one of these games. Age of Empires. Let's go to this. Let's go to the $20 version. And you can see there's an option to buy as gift as well. Now you have to choose a friend from your friends list or enter in their email address. So we can select this. Then choose the friend under here. So we can go with this person. And then go to next, and then type in your PIN, and make sure you have the right PIN. And then you have to add a way to pay, if you got like a payment method in here or something like that. And they should be getting a notification and like a download option when you buy as a gift. It says, by selecting buy as a gift, you agree to the store terms of sale and Microsoft terms. All right, so just go to buy as gift on the bottom left, get your credit card entered in, and your friend should be able to receive that. I really like this feature actually. I wish PlayStation would do it, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.